It is a subtle balance of tanginess and a velvety texture. It is easy to get wrong, and often the versions you may find are too sweet or way too spicy. But did you know you can still eat butter chicken at the place it was invented? Stay tuned to find out. One of the most popular Indian dishes both in India and abroad, butter chicken or murg makhani, was invented right here in the capital city of Delhi in a restaurant called Moti Mahal. Back in the 1950s, Kundan Lal Gujral, the owner of Moti Mahal, had one problem. His tandoori chicken was famous and he was selling a lot of it, but there was no refrigeration, so a lot of dried tandoori chicken was going to waste. So Kundan deduced that a tomato gravy, lush in butter and cream, would soften his leftover chicken and served it as such. The combination proved to be a masterstroke, and thus, by accident or an act of genius, the butter chicken, an internationally loved delicacy, was born, and it wasn't long before butter chicken proliferated throughout the world to be enjoyed by people from every walk of life. Kundan's restaurant quickly became a famous attraction in Delhi. Over time, it has seen patronage from none lesser than Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, John F. Kennedy, Maulana Azad, Shah of Iran, and Richard Nixon, to name a few. In its more recent times, Moti Mahal was visited by none other than the renowned master chef Gordon Ramsay, who even went behind the counter in the kitchen of this ancient restaurant. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe to Kitchen Almighty for more food trivia videos and recipes.